Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make crab rice easy guide. Start by gathering fresh crab, long-grain rice, garlic, ginger, scallions, and stock. I will walk you through cleaning crab, toasting rice, building layers of flavor, and timing so the rice absorbs savory crab juices. Follow simple steps for seasoning, resting, and serving with citrus and herbs for a bright finish that guests will love. Enjoy cooking. Start by prepping all ingredients so cooking moves smoothly and you avoid overcooking delicate crab meat. Clean crab and reserve shells for an easy homemade stock that boosts flavor. Toast rice lightly in oil or butter, then add minced aromatics and deglaze with a splash of stock. Add rice to simmering stock, nest crab pieces on top, and cover to steam gently until rice is tender and infused. Begin with a medium skillet or wide pot so steam circulates evenly and rice cooks through. Sauté garlic, ginger, and scallion until fragrant, then stir in rice to coat each grain in fat. Pour in hot stock, bring to a gentle simmer, then nest crab pieces atop rice and cover. Reduce heat to low and cook until liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and let the pot rest covered for 5 minutes to finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.